Artificial intelligence and data science are shaping our world in an unprecedented way. They are used everywhere now, from the little applications we use on our smartphones, social media and search engines, all the way to driverless cars. The Online Professional Graduate Diploma will equip its graduates with the necessary skills to design and implement artificial intelligence and data science applications in various contexts.
Artificial intelligence is no longer a science fiction. It has become a reality that is integrated in our daily lives and is causing significant changes in every aspect of our society. This is raising pressing ethical concerns when it comes to using artificial intelligence in real-world applications that have significant consequences on people's lives. In this course, we will construct a critical examination of various ethical issues related to artificial intelligence, such as safety and security, privacy, transparency, accountability, bias, and fairness, and review technical methods to identify and address them.
Data science is one of the fastest growing fields of this decade. We are inundated with data and as such need to make sense of it by building data-centric products for improved decision-making in almost every industry in today's world. Various technologies and skills contribute to the repertoire of a data scientist. This introductory course will attempt to articulate some of the expected skills required to complete the data science pipeline, beginning with defining specific business needs, moving on to data acquisition, preparation, transformation, and exploration, towards learning from data, and eventually communicating predictions and insights through visualizations and interpretable summaries. Using real-world examples of wide interest, we introduce several key facets of the data science pipeline using both the R and Python programming languages, with emphasis on data-centric approaches that enable the deployment of machine learning models in production environments.
Continuous advancements in hardware miniaturization, software algorithms efficiency, data collection and transmission are the main enablers to the artificial intelligence era we live in. As an emerging subfield of AI, machine learning focuses on developing data-driven models based on experiences to provide machines with unprecedented autonomy and human-like decision-making capabilities. This course covers an overview of deep learning methods and related applications. It focuses on applied deep learning and includes, in addition to lab assignments and practical use cases, a project that explores advances and applications in deep learning.